Hey guys, welcome to SirMalo Performance. My name is Ivan. Today I'll be doing a review on this impact driver by Bauer. I did own one previously, that's why I feel confident to do this video and share with you guys what my experience was with this impact driver. No joke, I did own it since November. This is my old bag in here, old charger, old battery. Nice, covered in oil and all that fun stuff. I literally spilled transmission fluid on this thing. Not on the charger, but on the battery pack and the gun itself. And I mean, I definitely abused it. I purchased it in November, and then I replaced it today. February 3rd, just to be exact. I have my son Alonzo here in the garage. He's helping me record. This is a new gun. You want to say what's up, Alonzo?
Hello!
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see my son Alonzo. He's in all my videos. If you guys check out my videos, he's there with me working on Project SirMalo. And yeah, definitely check him out. I have more videos. Like I said, let's go back to this review. I owned it since November. Obviously, went out today, got the new one. If you guys are looking to buy this is definitely a legit review. Nice box. It tells you what it comes with. It gives you all these amazing ratings, and it's definitely nice. I feel like this one's a little bit newer than the one that I had, just because of the simple fact of that grip. It reminds me of my DeWalt. It has this cross-hatched grip, and mine's had like a kind of like little bumps or ridges, not that cross-hatched thing. So that's a big plus, or maybe it's just the drawing. I don't know. We'll find out when I open it. So pretty little box. I'm a mechanic. I don't need the box. So inside your pretty box is a bag. I guess it's nice to carry your drill set or drill, in your bag or your box, whatever. So in your bag, obviously all nice and neat in there, is instructions. It looks like it comes with like a belt clip, just like my old one did. I don't use that, so don't need that. And this is a tool that I did purchase from Harbor Freight, by the way. If you're a mechanic on a budget, or just any guy on a budget that just wants some good tools, I mean, Harbor Freight is where we all go, I feel like. I definitely don't need a new charger, but now I have two, and I think that's awesome. So let me go ahead and set that on that side. Don't need the box. I did like the gun. My old one, I did like it. I definitely abused it. I was taking off like wheel nuts and just about anything. Just really abusing it. Taking advantage of that warranty. Let me move that back. So brand new battery. What I really like about these batteries is that life indication on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a really good plus. My DeWalt, love that thing. It maybe lasted me 2 years. For some people, they have DeWalts forever, and it's more than fine. For me, 2 years. So I had to invest on something a little bit more budget-wise, which was this. Let me take this out of the bag. So this is the new gun. Let me move this out of the way. So we got our charger, our battery pack, and now our gun here. It does come with those cross-hatch. You see how it's all nice and cross-hatch? I definitely love that. The other one had like these little bump ridges. I don't know if you guys already own one. If your gun has those bump ridges, that's exactly what I had. Like I said, went bad, went today, got a new one. The lady there at that location literally took my broken gun like this. Not even my battery pack was on there, and she gave me the whole new box. I mean, if that's the plus side to that warranty and getting tools at Harbor Freight, yeah, I definitely would agree like that. That's a plus, big time. We love it. I like it. More batteries. So that's the gun. nice and strong. I mean, guys, for the price, for what it is, you're on a budget. I feel like this is the gun to go. It's good, it's effective, it'll get the job done. I mean, I definitely abuse it. That's why it lasted 2 months, from November to February, just December, January, and then that was it. I mean, I definitely abused it. It was doing things that it shouldn't be doing, and it lasted 2 months. Definitely, I'm going to take care of this one a little bit better, and it should last me a year. And if it doesn't, I have that 3-year warranty, which wasn't that bad of a price difference. So $70, it's a hell of a gun that hangs up there with the Walt, Panasonic, all those other guys. So I definitely recommend you guys pick one up, give it a try. Thank you for checking out my video. This is an honest review. I like the gun, and I'd say go ahead and buy one. Give it a try. Thank you. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Go ahead, log into my channel so you guys can check out more Project SirMalo and other videos that I have on my channel. Thank you, and you have a good night.